Former House Speaker Nancy Pelosi, the 85-year-old California Democrat who appears to be lit every time she opens her mouth these days, announced on November 6th that she won't seek re-election next year. Her tenure will end January 2027. It seems odd that she would give up the gig of leeching off the system voluntarily. What could be her motivation? A New York Post investigation revealed that she and her husband amassed millions of dollars in stock profits since 1987. Pelosi has long been dogged by accusations that her family's stock trades exploited insider information and that she used her congressional role as taxpayer-funded access to create her own personal fortune. Her husband, Paul Pelosi, is a venture capitalist who's made hundreds of trades in sectors like tech and semiconductors that overlap with legislation that Pelosi has significant influence over. Public disclosures show their portfolio ballooning from very modest holdings when she entered Congress in 1987 to a net worth estimated between $250 to $335 million today. They own at least $100 million in stocks and a dozen real estate properties worth $50 to $100 million. Pelosi's stock profits far exceed profits that any Wall Street hedge fund could match without an edge. Paul traded $1.5 million semiconductor stock in 2022, just days before Congress approved a $52 billion industry subsidy. Then there were millions in NVIDIA options amid AI legislation. Amazon and Facebook purchases in early 2020 netted them $1.1 million and $100,000 respectively, shortly after COVID briefings. These patterns have fueled bipartisan outrage over Congress's rigged casino, where members beat the market far above the pros. Of course, Pelosi denies any wrongdoing, insisting that she owns no stocks personally and has no knowledge or involvement in her husband's decisions, but the optics are damning. President Trump has called her a disgusting degenerate who beat every hedge fund via inside information. Her blatant abuse of the system has prompted Josh Hawley's Honest Act, formerly known as the Pelosi Act, which would ban congressional stock trading. It's cleared a Senate committee 8-7. Rick Scott of Florida demanded a full audit of Pelosi's trades, citing unusually high returns and conflicts with bills under her purview. There's been no prosecutions under the Stock Act, despite 400-plus suspicious trades flagged with these politicians. The game's stacked from the start, but Pelosi also knows the election fraud, and J6 issues are coming out soon and she wants out. They can run, but they can't hide.